Hello, hello. I'm Darcy, and thanks for joining me on today's screencast. We're looking at an app called Diarly, which is designed to help you keep a running journal of your thoughts, feelings, and events. The app is available on iPhone, iPad, and Mac through the App Store, and can also be accessed in full by anyone using SetApp. Let's go through the initial setup and explore what Diarly has to offer. First, why do we want to keep a journal? To be honest, I've never really kept one before, so I'm going to select Keep a Daily Diary to get into the habit. As we'll soon see, your location, weather, and calendar can be folded into your journal, so I'll enable access. I'll also turn on reminders to journal. Diarly offers iCloud sync and encryption, but more on that later. Okay, here we are. Diarly has automatically opened a new journal entry for me, so I can get right into it. I'm really free to add whatever I want, but it started me off with a template to get going. Let me fill out the first couple of sections. And let's see what else we can add. Diarly has support for many different kinds of media. Let's go through them, starting with adding a photo, which can be done by selecting the furthermost left option on the bottom bar. We can take a photo in the moment, add from files, and scan documents, or add straight from my library. I've really been getting into ant keeping, and I recently captured a male ant in the wild. Notice that after the photo is inserted, we get a line atop. Diarly will read any location information from the photo, and you can view it on a map in the app by selecting it. Now we can add a drawing to our entry by selecting the second icon at the bottom left. If you've ever used this feature in Notes, it's the same experience. You have a palette on screen to select between your different colors, brush options, and settings. A handy one to be aware of is Draw with Finger. If you don't have an Apple Pencil, you can still join in, just to make sure this is enabled. I'll do my best as a non-artist to draw an ant for my journal. I really like the different ways Diarly lets you journal expressing yourself, which includes audio recording. This one is pretty straightforward. Just select the microphone at the bottom and begin talking. Hit Done to finish, and it's inserted in line. You can also break an entry up into different times of the day. Click the clock icon down below to draw a line with the time. Then you can continue to add photos, audio, and drawings beneath it. You'll notice too that there are buttons to insert your location, the weather. You can paste a link with the title, and add a tag.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.